Man, what a box set. I'm supposed to be pretending. What's up, y'all? This your girl Goldmouth coming at you guys to show you the things that I got from Amazon in order to help me help you. Okay? Well, not help you. Well, maybe some of you, but help me upload videos better and keep up with my stuff. Okay? So, anyways, the first thing I got, it's supposed to be an unboxing video, so I got to act like I ain't never opened it. So let me close it back. So first off, I want to say thank you to Prissy P and Rayshawn, because is his name Rayshawn? Is his name Rayshawn? Yeah, girl. Thank you, Prissy P and Rayshawn, for doing this video, because I have been looking for something to hold my SD cards in. Cause honey, I've been holding my chips in this thing, and this thing don't even snap no more, and my SD cards keep falling out, and it's so little I lose it, you know, all the time. I'm like, where I put it at, be in my purse and everywhere, so I can never keep it with my SD card. So thanks to Prissy P posting that video, I have ordered me unboxing. How they do when they unbox and opening it for the first time. Now I really haven't opened this part. So this is what it is. It's an SD card slot holder, or slot SD card holder. So I'm gonna open this plastic and show you guys what it looks. Is it something else in there? Oh, it came with a string. This is what it came with, a string to hold it, and it looks like this. I picked this one because the one they linked to was like $10.99, and it came with a little velvet case, and I ain't need no velvet case, so the one with the velvet case was $10.99. This one was $8.99, so I ordered this one, and it looks like this on the inside. This one holds micro SD cards, and it holds the big SD cards. Oh, I hope I got the right one. Hold on, I don't know if I got the right one, girl. Oh no, let's see. Oh yeah, I did. And you just click it in there, I think. Let me see. Look, now don't get me the line. Now, I might be I got the wrong one. Did I get the wrong one? Oh, no, I got it's shaped just like the thing. So if I just put it in there like I'm seeing it, it'll go. There you go. Whoop, there it is. Thought you knew. Whoop, there it is. I like it because it's big. And you better click. Okay, it clicked. Oh, it's good and sturdy too. Look, way bigger than the one I was using. This one is a bootleg one. This one ain't even for the SD card. This one is for some games that I play all the time. When my nerves get bad, I have to play games, you know. And oh, this is nice. So I can actually store 24 cards in here if I want to, but I don't really use the small SD slots, but I do have one for my phone. I'm gonna be needing to get me another one. So this one for the little memory cards you have in your phone. So it's in the middle right here, and then on the outside is for the bigger SD card. And I'm gonna take mine. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. Thank you so much, Prissy P, for showing that video. So now I can, because it's so hard sometimes to go look on Amazon to see which one is the good one, or you know, you got to read all the reviews. I ain't had time to do all that. She linked it up and I went straight to it. I read a few reviews and that was it. Now I got a secure place to store my SD cards. They won't fall out. No, they won't fall out. They didn't fall out. They don't fall out. Yes. Hey, I got like 4 SD cards. I got like 5 or 6 SD cards. Yeah, look, over the years that I've been on YouTube, I have accumulated these things. But the rest of them is in the room because I didn't have room for them in this little thing. So I just like keep what I can in here, and I kept the rest in there. And I ain't never thought about like getting, I always thought about getting something to protect them. But, you know, I just be slacking in my brain. So now I got something to hold them in for me, and I am happy about that. It is waterproof, so if I drop it, child, this wasn't waterproof at all. This won't even hold closed tight. You know, it just pops open when it feel like it, and now my SD cards be falling out. So now I got this, and snaps closed, click, and it got this thing here. I guess this go in here, that I can carry it like around my like a wristlet thing. Put this in there, This little wristlet, girl. Put the thing on. And oh, I just put it in there. I got me a little pocket book. Now I won't lose it all the time because Nivea used to take this and have it in her mouth, have it in there on the floor, and my SD cards be all over the place. So now I got this, and it's secure. And if I just happen to drop it in some water, or happen to rain or anything or drink, my SD cards are protected as well. So this is a very good investment, and it's real sturdy. It was worth all my $8.99. It really was, for real. And that's it for this item. I like it. I really like it. That's a good investment. So the next item I got was this. This is a pistol grip tripod holder. This was like a mini pistol thing that holds your camera. So it came in this box. I'm opening it for the first time. Hold on, let me see. First time opening it. It looked just like a real gun. Oh my God. You mash these, the sides right here. It's two little buttons right here. You mash, and that makes it go up or down. And it came with this. I don't know what this is. I guess it's this protective screw, because I was looking for the little thing. So they got a little screw in it right here. You screw up under your camera, and as you guys can see, it looks like a pistol. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? So and also with the pistol grip, it also spreads out like that, so it becomes a mini tripod. But you have to squeeze this back down, and then your camera can sit on top of that. Now that I have said that, I think it's good and sturdy. It feel alright. It don't feel like, it feel like some decent plastic. I don't know. I have to test it out because it's kind of, it's strong, but it's made out of plastic, but it's strong. It says it's made for the DSLR cameras, which is the big camera that I have. I have the Canon T3i Rebel, whatever you would. I done had it for so long. Yeah, I'm gonna have to test this out. I don't know if I'll trust my camera carrying it on out. I'll probably use this more for my phone. So now, Prissy P, let me tell you something. Since Rashawn said that his phone grip does not grip with his case on, honey, I was not about that life, because honey, I be dropping my phone a lot. Well, not a lot, but when I do drop my phone, I be scared. I be gonna drop it, so I don't be wanting to take it out of my little raggedy taggedy OtterBox here. So I got, this is my phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S5 or 6. I don't know. S6? I think it's an S6. This is an old throwback phone, but it still works very well. This is how I upload my pictures to Instagram and all of that stuff, but it don't do all that good on pictures. But anyway, when you're talking about the phone, I'm talking about the size of the phone in the OtterBox. My phone is very big, as you can see. I got big hands, and my phone is like almost the size of my hand. I can't tell you the amount of inches it is. I'm guessing it's like I don't know, 5-6 inches by 3 inches maybe. So, but anyway, this is what I want y'all to see, Prissy P, you and Rashawn, since y'all said y'all didn't have a phone holder that don't grip y'all phone with the case on while it's in the case, so I don't have to take my phone out of my case. This grip I got off Amazon as well, and it goes up high. As you can see, I'm twisting it and it's going up, and it holds my phone with my OtterBox on. You know, this is not a thin phone. This OtterBox case is not thin at all. And this twists. Now, I did have the one that looks similar to this one right here, and it just kind of like flexed, and you pull it and it stretched, and it let release. What you call that? Spring. It was a spring loader. This one actually has a screw in the middle, so when you twist it, it goes up, up, up. I don't know how far it goes, but it goes pretty decent till you can't take it out. Let me say, oops, see, I just took it off. So just put it back down in there. It's not supposed to be off, and twist it to where, see how wide it gets. I don't know how wide y'all phone is, but y'all can look up a Samsung Galaxy S6 and see how wide that is. But it's pretty wide. I'm telling you, it's one of the widest phones I done had in a while. And you just twist it back on. Once you get it to your twisting spot, like right here, once you get it comfortable, you ain't got to twist it way up to take it off. Just twist it to, like right now, I got it on. It's on there. My phone ain't coming off. Look, it's not coming off. It's not It's in there. You got this little grip right here that grips around the outer box, on the top and on the bottom. And you can also go vertically or horizontally with your phone. And this right here is the most important part. Well, one of the most important parts. This got the little screw hole, so you can put it on to your any kind of, I guess it's like a 1/4 inch screw that's on these pieces here, and you just twist it onto there. You can twist it onto there and have, now usually when I'm on Instagram or whatever, or when I'm on YouTube live, I have my phone, and so I can twist it that way, and I twist this to make sure it's secure. That's in there, and then I can just twist it, and my phone is on its own. Now I will leave the link to where I got this below. These items are so inexpensive, y'all. I mean, this is like a YouTube starter kit for me if you do your videos with your phone. I normally do my videos like I'm sitting right here. I do my videos in front of my Canon T3i, which I've had for so many years. They done had new versions come out, 6, T3i, T4i, 5i, 6i. I don't know if they got the 7, but yeah. And I do my videos from mostly here. When I'm sitting right here, most of my videos come from my camera. When I'm on Facebook, when I'm on YouTube live, my videos come from my phone. When I'm walking on the track, my videos come from my phone. So I can actually use this while I'm walking on the track if I felt like holding it, but I don't feel like doing all that. I just hold it in my hand. I don't know, let me see, get some good shots. But that's backwards though. I can turn it, let me see if I can turn it facing me. I can turn it facing me and do some selfies too, look. Hey, ow, ow, ow. Hey, go me. That's Nivea, y'all. This is my grandbaby. That's so cute. Oh yeah, it'll make my camera steady while I'm vlogging or whatever. But yeah, girl, this is a good tripod holder for big cameras, big phones. Okay, so that's for you, Prissy P, just in case you want to go check that out. That's what it looks like. And I can take it out with this pistol grip so you can see the whole thing. I will leave a link down below as well. Since you helped me, I'm gonna help you back. Help a sister out, okay? So that's what it looks like when it's all connected. And by the way, if for some strange reason you don't like this piece, you can take this piece off, because look, under here it got another screw, and you can actually use that one as well to screw on the same piece, to screw on your little thing. I don't know why it came like that, but that's just how it came, just how it is. And you get a 2-in-1. If that thing ever break for some odd reason, you can just twist it on the other one. So there it is. There it is, y'all. Y'all see that? Okay, y'all. Thank you, Prissy P, for doing that video. It did save me, because I was about to lose my SD cards, and girl, we all know how much they cost. I'm not trying to do all of that. That's a lot of work and a lot of money. So I hope that was helpful to somebody. I'm gonna leave all the links to these 3 items down below. Okay, that is it. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box below to all 3 of these items if you feel like you want to purchase that, or put it in your Amazon cart for one day when you get the money, just like I did. And because I ain't get it the same day, I had to wait. But anyways, y'all, that's all I got to say in this video, and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.